Hello YouTube, welcome to a new Synth Anatomy video. At NAMM 2020 I had the chance to check out the new Argon8 lineup. The new version will come very soon to the market, one desktop and one version with 61 keys. The most interesting one is in my opinion the new desktop version, because it makes the Argon8 engine more accessible to more musicians. The Argon8M synthesizer is based on the same engine as the Argon8, so it has a digital engine with 8 voices, 2 oscillators, different filters, a powerful sequencer and more. In order to bring everything to a desktop-sized design, the interface has been changed, so no keyboard, pitch wheel or mod wheel, but instead it has now for some functions push encoders available with which you can switch to other sections. The engine is built in a very narrow case, which looks very nice and compact. The processing was also very good from this prototype beta version, feels very solid and also very nice made. On the backside everything has remained the same like on the keyboard version. For a price of €579, the Argon8M offers a lot of synthesis power in a compact design. At first glance, a logical and good decision to launch it also as a desktop synth. And for the end, some sounds played by Jackson from Modal Electronics.